So here's what we have. We have this mezzanine, right? We have these columns are sitting there. All these I-beams are connected to them. It carries the whole floor system. We have a couple of sections where you can see they're cantilevered out, right? So right there, that portion, you can see that's cantilevered out. That beam is supporting it directly with columns. And that's just hanging out there. They're not really anchored to the perimeter wall. And same thing here. You see that is just hanging out there. So those connections right there are called moment connections. So if you can see how these are connected, normally you'll just have this angle iron and a couple of bolts on either side of it, and that's sufficient. But these moment connections, they're supposed to have two of those, and right now they just have one. Oh great, it just started storming, yay. What happens is, since this isn't attached to anything, this will want to move if you put a load on it. So that'll create a moment in it. And according to our plans, right there, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those moment connections. And they have just a slightly different connection method where they have 2 of these angle irons, where the majority of them just have 1. So it's, again, important to make sure that you check everything. The iron guys we work with are phenomenal. They're jumping right on it. They're very thankful that we came by and checked them. They don't give us any attitude. So that's just normal part of construction that this kind of stuff happens. So you just got to come back and check.